Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May all the peace and blessings of the Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be on all of us for the incredible mercy He has bestowed among us as His creatures. Now, I want us to look another concept of the Molar game, that is, the Molar solutions and calculations pertaining to it. Now let's discuss one by one. We have 3 questions from that section. Now let's delve deep into it. When 34.8 grams of potassium sulfate were dissolved in 500 cubic centimeter of water, calculate the concentration of potassium sulfate in grams per liter solution. Question number 1. 34.48 grams dissolved in 500 cubic centimeter. Now in grams per liter class, we basically mean if 34.8 grams were dissolved in 500 cubic centimeter, what can we dissolve? In 1 liter we mean 1,000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 liter or 1 cubic decimeter. Now it will be 1,000 cubic centimeter. Now question mark. Now it will be 1,000 times 1,000 cubic centimeter times 34.8 grams out of 500, and that will be by 501 by 502. Now it will be 34.8 times 2, 34.8 times 2, and that is 69.6 grams per liter, and that is the solution to Roman 1 of question number 1. Now question number 2, molarity. Molarity class, how can we get molarity? We first need to get moles. How can we get moles? Moles is gotten as mass over RAM or RFM. Now it will be mass, which is 34.8 divided by the RM, which is potassium sulfate. 39 times 2 plus 32 plus 64, that is 174. Now what are we going to get? Moles? 34.8 divided by 174, that is 0.2 moles. 0.2 moles. Now, molarity is equals to moles times volume out of 1,000. Now class, what's our moles? 0.2. What is our volume? Now class, let's look at it quickly. The molarity of the solution. Molarity of the solution. Molarity is equals to moles of a volume times 1,000. Now it will be moles, which is 0.2 over volume, which is 500 times 1,000 by 501 by 502. Now it will be 0.254 molar, and that means we have 0.4 moles in 1 liter. In 1 liter, and that is the meaning of 0.4 molarity. Now, second part of the question. Now, that is done. Question number 2. That's question number 1. Question number 2. Question number 2 class. Calculate the number of moles present in 25 cubic. Moles is equals to molarity times volume over 1,000. What's our moles here? We have 25 molarity, volume 25, molarity 0.2 over 1000. Now it will be 25 times 0.2 divided by 1000, which will be 0.005 moles. Now that is done. That is part 1 of the question. Part 2 of the question again, class. Mass in grams present. Mass in grams present in 25 cubic centimeter of 0.2 molar sodium hydroxide. Now class, in section 1 we got moles as what? Our moles is 0.005. That is the moles. Now let's get RAM, relative atomic mass or relative formula mass of sodium. It will be 23 plus 16 plus 1, which is give us 40. Now we're going to get mass will be equal to moles times the relative formula mass, which will give us moles equals moles, which is 0.05 times 40. Now let's look at that. Times 40. Now we're going to get 0.2 grams. That is the solution to problem number 1, to problem number 2, part number 2, Roman 2. Now lastly, question number 3. Now question number 3 says, calculate the mass of calcium chloride required to make 1 liter of 0.2 molar, 0.2 molarity or molar calcium chloride. Now I want to tell you that calcium is equals to 40, chlorine is equals to 35.5. Very good. Now let's come here. Let's solve that question again. Now class, you can see we have relative formula mass. It will be calcium 40 plus 2 into bracket 35.5, 40 plus 71, 40 plus 71, which will give us 111, I think so. 40 plus 71 will give us 111. Now we have RFM, we have again molarity, which is 0.2 molar. Now class, this one again is a mole. You have 0.2 moles in 1,000 cubic centimeter. This being a molarity does not mean it's a mole, but it is a special type of a mole where the mole is expressed in a liter, that is 1,000 cubic centimeters. Now it will be what you ask, calculate the mass. Mass is equals to moles in 1,000 cubic centimeter, referred to as molarity, times the RFM, relative formula mass, that is 0.2 times 111, going to get times 0.2, which is 22.2 grams. And that is the solution to the problem. Have a prosperous day ahead. Wish you a successful life in this world as well in the hereafter.